Hello there. Welcome to our online English class. Can you see me clearly? Very good. Can you hear me well? That's good to hear. How about my talking speed? Is my talking speed okay? That's good to hear. All right, so I am Teacher Lian. How about you? What is your name? Oh, hello there. Nice to meet you. I am so happy to see you here. All right, so are you now ready to start our class? Let me share to you my screen. All right, can you see my screen? Okay, do we have the same textbook? That's good to hear. All right, so let's start our class now. By the way, my dear, we are now in our lesson 1. And the title of this lesson is What Do You Want to Do? Can you please repeat after me? What do you want to do? Can you say it? Very good. That's really amazing. So this week's phrase we have I want to. Please say. Very good. So we are going to learn sentences that starts with the phrase I want to. Okay, very good. So now let's go or let's learn new words. All right. So you are going to choose the correct word that matches the picture. But before that, we are going to learn vocabulary words. We are going to learn some words. All right. So are you ready? That's good to hear. You are very ready to learn new words. So the first word that we have is, okay, do you know how to read this? All right, we will read this word as play. Very good. Okay, can you please say it 3 times? Play, play, play. How about you? Very good. You've done a great job. That's really great. Let's move on to the next word. We have sing. Like this one. Sing. Sing, sing, sing. Very good. Good job. Next one, we have eat. Eat. Okay, let me say it properly. Eat. Please say. Yes, very good. Okay, eat, eat, eat. Good job. Next one, we have make. Make. Very good. That's really amazing. Okay, the next word we have dance. Dance. Please say dance. Very good. We have another word, sing. Okay, can you please say? Very good. That's really great. How about this one? How to read this? Wow, you've done a great job. That's it. Great job, my dear. Very good. And next one we have, please read the word dance. Dance. Wow, that's really amazing. Very good job. Okay, so let's go now here and let's start our practice. Are you ready? All right. So I want you to look at to the picture and tell me what are they doing? Okay. What are they doing? What do you think? What are they doing? Is it play or sing? Okay, so choose. Wow, you've got it right. That's really amazing. Play. Good job. Very good job, my dear. Okay, so they are playing. They are playing. You can also say, I want to play. Let's use the phrase, I want to. And then the verb that we have here. Can you please say, I want to play? Wow, very good. Okay, that's really great. You are really great in making sentences. Very good to that. Next one. Oh, I want you to look at to the second picture. Okay. Next one. I want you to look at here. What is he doing? Can you see the picture? What is he doing? Yes, very good. You've got it right, my dear. He is eating. So we have the word eat. Eat. Very good. Okay, let's use the phrase I want to. Can you please say I want to eat? I want to eat. Very good. One more time. Say it one more time. I want to eat. Very good. Thank you so much, my dear. You are really smart. Keep up the great work. Okay, let's go to the third one. Oh, what are they doing? What do you think? Is it dance or sing? Yes. Okay, very good. They are singing. Okay, so the word that we have is sing. Very good job. Okay, can you please use the word sing using the phrase that we have? All right. I want you to please say, I want to sing. Very good. You are really amazing, my dear. That's good. Teacher Lean is very happy. Keep up the great work. Okay, and last one, last number that we have. All right. What do you think? What are they doing? They are? Good job. Okay. They are dancing. So you choose, is it eat or dance? We have dance. Another great job. Very good job, my dear. That's really amazing. So they are dancing. I want you to use the phrase that we have. I want to dance. Please say, I want to dance. That's really amazing. Very good job. Keep up the great work, my dear. All right. Okay, so all right. Okay, so my dear, by the way, I am really sorry, but it is already time. I am happy meeting you today. And you tried your best to express yourself by speaking English. Good job for that. See you again soon. Goodbye for now. Bye bye. Thank you so much.